Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, yeah, I'm just eating these cheese crisps. They're really tasty. Pistachio, pepper jack, cheese crisps. Oh, so good. Yeah, keto. So, thanks for listening to that. And so what we've been doing actually is we've been getting ready for our law sine and cosines practice test. So thanks for being here. What the? Whoa! What's going on? Whoa! Star Wars! Ah! Wow. So I got this lightsaber and it's pretty cool and stuff. And it does lots of different sounds. Hey, I think that was Yoda. Who was that? I think that's an Ewok. What the? Whoa, lightsaber. And then last but not least, our favorite. Bye, Wookiee. Bye, Chewbacca. So thanks for being here, listening. So look at our practice quizopotamus. Thanks to our special student who drew this practice quizopotamus for us. Thank you. You know who you are. Thank you. Ask later if I can name drop you. Okay, so question 1. So given the following triangle, which would be an accurate setup to solve for side length BC? So number 1 is actually asking, make sure you're recording still. Yeah, we are. Just making sure, okay. Okay, so to find side length BC, first identify what that is. And so that's going to be this side. And, this is side angle side. Give me some sass. Oh, spicy. So when we have side angle side, we cannot use the law of sines. So that would be not this guy. But we can use the law of cosines. And so the law of cosines, so across from big A is little a. And so we would use our formula a squared is equal to the other two sides squared and added. So 23 squared plus 17 squared, or you can switch that order if you need to. Minus 2 times as part of the formula, 23 times 17. And then cosine of the angle between those sides, which is 135. Nice. So let's see which one that is. Woo! Ooh, so looking like this is going to be a decent one right here. There we go. So that's going to be that answer on the practice test. Fill it in. Okay, there we go. Some of you are like, no, Newbold, that's just bugging me. Okay, fine. I know you know who you are. You know. I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. That's got to be good enough, okay? I can't do any better than that. Oh, you went over the lines. Okay, there we go. So there's that one. And beautiful. So now we're going to go down here to the next one. Oh, which of the following is the expression of the length in units of line segment BC? Okay, so BC is right here, which is little a. And so in order for us to do this, so we do have a side with an angle. What the? That's not even close, Newbold. Oh yeah, thanks for making sure. So this side goes with this angle, and this side goes with this angle. Nice. And so we can use the law of sines, which is awesome. However, so if we want to find for side length little a right there, we definitely need this angle, which we don't have. But we do have two other angles, right? So if we go ahead and do 180 minus 40, which is 140, minus 35, which is 105. Oh, okay, cool. So angle A is going to be 105 degrees, and now we can use law of sines. So to use the law of sines, but finding law of sines, but in particular, finding a side length. So in particular, finding a side length, we would flip the formula upside down, and you will notice the hint. There it is. Hint uses upside down in the formula version of the formula. Okay, so to do that, we'd go ahead and start with little a, which we want to solve, and then do it over sine of big A. And then equals, what other do we have? We have c and little c, right? Because if this is big C, then across from big C is little c. So then we use the side length, remember, goes on top, just like little a, all over sine of the angle, which is big C. Whoops. So now we're going to go ahead and, there we go. So now we're actually going to fill those in with numbers. So big A becomes sine of 105, right? Because that's what angle A is. And then little c is going to be 27. Good. Scribble it out now. And then big C is going to be 35 degrees. So we'll scribble it out, and we'll do sine of 35 degrees. Okay, so now to solve for little a, we just get the sine 105 over to the other side. But how do we get it to the other side? You got to multiply it to the other side. Woo! And if you multiply it on one side, you have to multiply it to the other side. So that's going to be our answer there, 27 sine 105 over sine 35. You can plug that into your calculator and get an answer, but they just want to know if you can solve for it, set it up, and solve for it. I got this from an ACT question, so hopefully this will inspire you to study your ACTs. Okay, so which one is that one? Ooh. So that one is 27 sine 105 all over sine 35. Cool. So that is actually going to be answer B. Okay, next one. Okay, find segment AB. Ooh, now I got to fill in the blank. Uh-oh, you scared? Okay, so across from big C is little c. So they want us to find little c. Good, good, good. Now, let's see. I want to use the law of sines, but let's see. Angle missing a side. Missing an angle got a side. Missing an angle got a side. So that means that we do not have enough info to use the what? So do not have enough info. We do not have enough info to use law of sines. Ooh, but when we don't have enough information to use the law of sines, our fave, what could we use? Oh, sorry, let me do that sound for you. Oh! What could we use? The what? Cosines. What the? So we can go ahead and use the law of cosines. Are you sure, R2D2? C3PO. What the? Anyways, so we can use law of cosines. So now, do you remember that? Not too bad. We're just going to try to find little c. So we're going to go c squared is equal to a squared, which is 7 squared, plus 15 squared, minus 2 times 7 times 15, and then cosine of the angle between the sides. So we're just going to go ahead and plug that into our calculator there. Now pause me and you try this. Remember, you're supposed to pause me. So go ahead and pause me and you give it a try and plug it in your calculator. Pause me! You're behind the screen. You stop watching and just writing down answers. Don't fail the test. Come on, you got to pause me. You try, then come back, pause me. See if it works. See if you got the same answer as me. So please pause me. I'm going to wait. You pause me. You pause me now. You pause me. Okay, thanks for pausing me. So 7 squared plus 15 squared. You better pause me. Minus 2 times 7 times 15. Excellent. And then cosine of the angle between the sides, so that's 34. Make sure your mode, make sure your mode is in degrees. Yes, it is. Okay, so we get 99.9. Ooh, that rounds up to roughly almost 100, right? And then don't forget, that is actually what c squared is, okay? So that is not our answer. We're not going to put 99.9 in for answer. No, because we have to square root it and figure out what segment AB is, which is little c. And so we're going to go ahead and square root that beautiful answer. So 99.99, pink, red, blue, what? So we're going to go ahead and square root that, and that is 9.995, which rounds up to 10. So we're going to go ahead and put 10 in there. 10 kilometers, please. 10 kilometers. Okay, so we're about at 10 minutes or so, but let's get to question 4 maybe first, and then we'll do the others. Okay, so to find the measure of angle A, So this will actually be on the next video because this is some crazy stuff here. So go ahead and watch the next video. You're going to need this. So this is using law of cosines, but in a crazy way to find the missing angle for side, side, side. So thanks for watching me. Please go to, turn your cassette tape over to part B. And because we had cassette tapes, especially when what was around? Yeah, Star Wars! Star Wars cassette tapes. So watch the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Next video. Oh, do you have something to say, Chewbacca? Thanks for watching.